So folks, the Good Samaritan Inn continues to be a beacon in the homeless in Kingston by providing them with the essentials, I'm told. And with us this morning, we speak with the Good Samaritan Inn's manager, Mr. Vermont Murray, and one of the beneficiaries of the Good Samaritan Inn, Karen Perrin. Good morning to you both.
Wow.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mas Vermont, you good? All is well?
Giving God thanks, man. Happy to be alive.
Yeah, man, great.
And thanks for the opportunity again, man.
Yeah, man, our pleasure. When Good Samaritan Inn started, what was the remit? Why you start? What you did plan to do?
Let me just say it. The Good Samaritan Inn was started on December 23, 2007. So on Monday, we'll be celebrating 17 years.
Yep.
The mission, a group of us, the leaders, saw hungry people on the streets of Kingston. And we decided we had to make a difference. Because it is true, a hungry man is an angry man. Mm-hmm. So we started out by serving only 50 meals. No one envisaged that after 17 years we would be doing what we did. But we have been inspired to do it. And food continues to be our flagship program.
Yeah, just before Debbie, where you get the money to do all of this from?
That's why I tell you this. The money comes from many ways. But let me state this as a point. Any service at a Good Samaritan, we do not charge a client not even $1. And so we find corporate citizens give. The ordinary little man and woman, the member of the church, they give weekly. And so the program continues with sponsors, partnerships, well-thinking Jamaicans, overseas donors, and we continue. And this weekend, we're going to show it. Love in action.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Karen, it says here that you're a beneficiary of the Good Samaritan.
Yes.
Tell us about how they impacted your life.
Well, I was in a situation where I had to leave where I live. And I didn't have anywhere to go, And as such, I reached out to the Good Samaritan Inn, just randomly talking. And they said, come. I had my daughter at the time and my son, my 4-year-old son. And the Good Samaritan Inn took me in. I was the first female there because they only boarded men. Mm-hmm. So I was the first female there. So they find a little space and put me and my daughter. And so they gave me, I didn't have any bed when I was to leave where I was. And they basically provided the very, very necessity that I needed. Clothes, I needed for my children as well and for myself because I was transitioning my life. Yeah. So I didn't have, the modest type of clothes. Mm-hmm. And they assisted me where that was a need for me and my children, and food. They provided food for us, not just on the days that they provide food for everybody. Because we were boarded, they provided food for also me and my children.
Yeah, wow.
Wow, fantastic.
Wow.
I actually didn't know that you had boarding.
Limited facility, I must add.
Yeah.
And in the earlier days, we were thinking about men. And then we have developed and we have an overnight response facility for women.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I will not go to tell you some of the horror stories, but we have spared many women who have been in abusive situations.
So tell me exactly what you do. Is this breakfast, lunch, dinner? Is just a one meal for the day? Tell me exactly what.
Let me give you the official script.
Right.
The Good Samaritan Inn is a drop-in facility situated at 224 Jefford Place in Kingston, Jamaica. We serve food. We provide laundry facilities. We provide bath facilities. Individuals can walk off the streets and get a bath. We provide change of clothing. Folks provide clothing for us and we give it to those who are needy. In addition, we provide health care, limited health care to individuals. And there are some flagship programs that we have every year. The back to school health fair is a must. The students look forward to it. We have the annual Christmas treat, like what is coming up on Sunday. And we provide counseling services. Mm-hmm. We believe, as our tagline says, we share love and we give hope.
Absolutely. I was going to ask about the counseling sessions, and also, do you provide them with the opportunity to maybe go back to school, get into some programs that are available? I know Heart Trust has really good programs free of cost. Do you have them
it's
as partners?
interesting that you mentioned that one. Yes to all the questions.
Yes.
And coming up, we have a fantastic initiative that will be rolling out in early 2025. We are building a state-of-the-art kitchen. And we have funding is about 75% in place from an overseas donor, whereby we will be training young people in the art of cooking, preparing meals. And then when we are in discussions with the Heart Trust as we speak, and they'll certify these young people, so they will come, they will learn how to cook and get some food, of course, and then they transition to society and to be earning for themselves.
What happens on Sunday?
This coming Sunday, we have the annual Children's Treat and Special Dinner. One of our partners, a long time, who's Assembly and Supply, free advertisement, they have been providing a special treat for our children. They have rides, they have games, giveaways, special gifts, and of course, as when that is over, a special dinner, fully sponsored by this company for all the individuals in and around the Good Samaritan. They look forward to it every year, and we are so happy for our sponsors, some of whom have been on board from 2008, and they continue to be our sponsors today.
Yeah. Karen, what is life like for you now?
Well, thanks be to God. After moving from the Good Samaritan Inn, my life took different trajectories, and I can say I'm a proud mother of a daughter who goes to college and work.
Woo!
Yes, that my son is at Excelsior, passed the highest PEP in the school, 94%, and I'm now married.
That's it. Oh, set apart. We're happy for her.
Yes.
We're very happy.
I'm now married. So, yes, it has been upbringing. The trajectory has been rough, but it has been an improvement in my life. Sometimes you have to hit rock bottom before you can actually be at the top. So I am just along for the ride, giving God thanks and be grateful.
Wow.
No, what do I do? Come on and support the thing.
Yes,
support
please,
it.
please. Yes,
Honestly.
You're down by Hero Circle.
Heroes, we are a shepherd place. And let me tell you this quickly. I know time is running out. We started by serving 50 meals on a Sunday. Today, we are serving an average of 250 meals every Sunday. Through COVID lockdown, right through the period, we never stopped. We're serving on a Tuesday. We're serving on a Wednesday. These are fully sponsored days, and we could do well with some other individuals who help us to take care of all the other days as we go forward.
And Samari, on Sunday, we can bring things as well, Pampers, all of these lovely things.
Why are you starting up again? We need adult disposable diapers. It's a regular need. All disposable time. And even the ladies, yes,
absolutely.
they come to us.
Essentials,
We are the go-to place.
And this is not just about Christmas.
No, we operate right through the year. Christmas is just coincidence. December 23 is our anniversary date, and December 25 is Christmas.
Mere
coincidence.
Fantastic work.
On behalf of those who you have helped, thank you.
Yeah.
God bless you and the family.
Thank you.
And thanks for having us.
God bless you, sir.
Good Samaritan Inn's manager, Vermont Murray, and one of the beneficiary of the Good Samaritan Inn, Miss Karen Perrin.
When we come back, NCB's Visa Credit Card Christmas promotion is next, but the second edition of News in 5 comes up first. Stay with us, please. Soon come.